Jigsaw puzzle. Oh, Max! Go play with your lobster someplace else. I'm doing a jigsaw puzzle.
Puzzle?
It's called Beautiful Bunny Ballerinas. Oh, aren't they elegant?
Puzzle.
See? Each puzzle piece has its own special place in the big picture. If even one piece is missing, I won't be able to finish it. So you go play in that direction while I concentrate. Okay, Max?
Puzzle!
No, Max. This is a big bunny puzzle. I want to finish it all by myself. You go play with your lobster. Bunny dancer. I'm a ballerina bunny too, and I know you can't dance without your ballet shoe. Let me find it for you. Found it! Oh! Max!
Puzzle!
I told you, I don't want any help. I want to finish this puzzle all by myself.
Puzzle!
I promise I'll show it to you when I'm finished. Oh, the ballet is about to begin. Oh no, where's the last piece? One piece is missing. It has to be somewhere. Max, I've lost a puzzle piece. I don't have time for lobsters.
Puzzle!
That's right, Max, and I won't be able to finish until I find that missing puzzle piece.
Puzzle!
Where is that puzzle piece? It's got to be here somewhere. It's not in the jigsaw box. It's not on the floor. Puzzle pieces don't just walk away by themselves. Max! Hand it over, Max.
Puzzle!
You got it.
Puzzle!
My puzzle piece. Stop that lobster! Come back, you puzzle thief! Come out, wherever you are. I had to wind it all the way up. You did it! You caught the puzzle thief! The last piece! Come on, you can help me. Okay, Max, you can tap it in place. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Thanks to you, I finished the whole
Puzzle!